Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use priority tool. With this tool, we can set the priority of cutting for the sides of the panels. For example, with these glass cabinet doors, I want to make sure the bottom side is going to be cut first. Then I can set priority of cutting. Select the tool Priority and then click on the panel and which side has the priority number 1, then it's going to be cut first and the other side is going to be processed later. But if I re-click on it and it becomes 2, then this side is cut after the other one. So this is how we use priority tool to set priority of cutting for any side of the panels. For more instructions, see you in the next videos.